What's good, everybody? It's your boy named Matthews back again with another video. Since y'all showed me so much love on that last head shaving video, I'm gonna hit y'all with another one because I see that's what y'all like. So it's time for me to shave my head again, so I might as well record it, right? Now, last time I showed you guys a little shave routine using this right here, which is the Schick Hydro 5 cents razor, pivoting blades and all that type of stuff right there. If you missed that one, make sure you hit the card that pops up. But today I'm actually going to be going back to what I was using right before I got that one. I got like 3 more razors or whatever, but these are the main 2 that, you know, I just decided to keep on the countertop. So last time I used that one, today I'm going to be using this one. This is the double edge safety razor right here. This is the Parker. All the info, the price and everything, if you guys want to pick one up for yourself, is going to be in the description. This is not an initial review, so I'm not going to speak directly on this razor, but just know it's good enough for me to sit it on top of my counter, even though I was not using it actively for the last couple months. But we are going to be using it today. Just twist it at the bottom here. It's going to loosen up at the top. Take the top off. And I can release the blade. I'm just going to go ahead and drop it in the trash can off camera here. There we go. And I'm actually going to wipe it off with a towel because it looks like maybe some dry shaving cream or whatever is in the corner. A number of people were asking me, like, hey, now that you got the Schick Hydro Sense, which is, you know, the other razor I just showed you guys a moment ago, you guys probably thought like I wasn't going to use this anymore, like that was just a razor, you know, the best razor ever. And the answer is no, it's not the best razor ever. I don't think any razor really is just like so much better than any other razor. They do all have their ups and some have their downs, and I actually have had some razors that are just downright horrible. People are still commenting on on old videos where I've reviewed certain products and stuff like that, and they've tested them out and they said they like them, but you know, when I give you my review, it's my opinion. So if I tell you guys something sucks, maybe you will like it or whatever. Maybe it's good for you. It does what you need it to do. But you know, some of these products are not for me. So anyways, as you guys may or may not have seen, or I guess I just did it off camera so you didn't see, took the blade out, cleaned it out, and I do have a refill blade right here. Another double edged blade. This is the what is these? The Personna blades. Okay, I forgot because I ain't got the box no more. They just loose blades sitting on the counter. So I got the Personna blades right here. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this, and we're gonna load it up into the razor. Not that you guys really need to see up close what the razor look like, right? You guys know what a razor blade looks like. Anyways, I'm just taking this off. Here's the bottom of the, or I guess it's the top actually. I'm loading the blade onto it. Just fits right over those 2 notches there. Simply putting this on, and I do got to be careful too because it is, okay, so I got to match the sides up. So let me show you guys this real quick. There's a little slit right there, so you do have to match it up with the slit that's also right here to make sure you get it on the correct side. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just simply sliding it over, and I can go ahead and turn it. You're gonna start feeling some pressure. That's how you know it catches. And let's see, I think I like to put it on maybe about 2. Now this is an adjustable safety razor. Little numbers and stuff at the bottom. The more you turn it, the tighter it is, which means the blade will be more curved. The more you loosen it up, means the blades are going to open up, which means you can get more hair up under the blade, but you're going to have to be more careful. So it just kind of depends on the length of your hair that's being shaved, you know, the thickness of it, how tough it is to cut and things like that, which is what you're going to want to use to, you know, to adjust it for, to make it easier for you to have a better shave for yourself. I'm so used to using the other razor now. We're going to see how easy it is to transition back to something that actually used to be my favorite. So this was my favorite razor, and I just stopped using it. But now the blades on my other razor are kind of getting dull just a little bit. I can continue to use it maybe for like 2 more weeks, but then after that, it's going to be done. So I'm going to start throwing some water on my head, putting the shaving cream on, and we're going to get it done. The shaving cream I'm going to be using today is from Scotch Porter shaving cream right here. If you guys want to go ahead and pick this up, again, everything that I use, or even stuff that I don't talk about in this video that I would recommend to you guys, is going to be listed in the description below. Everything I have is over there. Let's get it. I'm kind of nervous, I can't lie. This is probably how you guys feel with your first time shaving. It ain't my first time at all, as you guys may or may not know if this is your first video or whatever. But let's see. Let's see if I can pick it back up using the safety razor after so long. Well, good thing is I haven't been hearing this sound in quite a while. I can tell already this is getting a lot closer than the other one. But at the same time, I gotta be more careful. Gotta concentrate a little bit more. I can't be just swiping it across my head super quick. Cause this is a actual razor blade, you know. Big one too that I can actually dig into my skin if I mess up. I ain't trying to scare y'all or nothing, but come on y'all, it is a razor blade. Things can happen if you don't know what you're doing. But if you ever want to know what you're doing, man, you guys got to practice somehow. You are going to cut yourself in the beginning while you're learning. You know, it's a process. It takes some time, but after you get it down, man, you know how much money you're going to save and not have to go to the barbershop every week? You can go to the barbershop when you really got somewhere to go, or you know, you just slacking and you really want to get them, allow them to just let you get real clean. But in the meantime, man, you can keep it up on your own. It's definitely a challenge, y'all. I can't just swipe real quick, but this is the good thing though about this razor again that I'm noticing with these big old holes. It's actually very easy to clear the hairs out. That was a fresh little shave, man. It definitely is a totally different experience than using this other razor that I've been using. And since I haven't done it in quite a while, oh you damn Skippy, I was kind of nervous, man. But I do feel like the shave is way closer than what I've been getting using this other razor. Now that's not to say that the other razor is not good at all, because obviously if I've been using it for months at a time and not even switching back and forth, that was just like my #1 razor, which was the Schick Hydro 5 cents razor. And I just decided I wanted to try the, you know, my original one again. And I feel like my head is like super, like it's shaved way closer to the point where I definitely am gonna need to use some like aftershave and all that to get my skin cooling back down, because that was definitely a very close shave right there. So I am gonna go ahead and use some witch hazel, throw this on my head. Oh, I'm feeling a slight kick. Think I might have nicked myself a few times or something like that, maybe once or twice, or maybe not. It feels like it, but it ain't bleeding, so I guess it don't count if it ain't bleeding. So no, I'm still good. I'm still good. It's the bump stopper right here. They sent this to me a long time ago. I use it every now and then. You know, sometimes I feel like I don't need to use it, but this does say Arctic Haze Shave Gel with cooling menthol, tea tree oil, and aloe vera helps stop razor bumps. So, because I just did something to my skin that I haven't done in quite a while, which has got a very, very, very close shave, I can tell already this is way closer than the other razor. I'm definitely going to use this because I don't want my skin to react to you know, the closeness of this shave. So I'm going ahead, putting some of this gel on here. Go ahead and rub this in. And that's what goes with not paying attention, guys, because I knew as soon as I put it on, but I decided to just keep going. But I'm gonna tell you guys for, you know, just in case I do decide to keep this in the video. This actually says shaving gel, and I just shaved my head already, so this is not aftershave. So that means you got to pay attention, because if you just thinking, you're all over the place, man. I told you guys I'm rushing. See what happens when you rush? Then you start wasting products and all that type of stuff. Now I got to rinse my damn head again. Now I gotta rinse my motherfucking head. Today's aftershave is gonna be some of the Gillette right here. Forget what this is called. It just says Gillette aftershave. That's it. You guys might see this at your nearest, you know, convenience store or whatever. I've had it in my stash for quite a while, and it is something I jump back to every now and then. I definitely didn't mean to use that goddamn much. Holy shit. All right, let's put that away. Y'all gonna see me apply this to my scalp. You see it, slight tint of blue right there. I put way too much, but we just gonna go ahead and use it all. Rubs in smooth. Throw in some beard balm real quick. Beard balm, some beard butter. Again, if you guys want to know exactly what products I use, where you can get them, what I think about them and all that stuff. If this is one of your first videos that you're watching of mine, I do have like 150 videos, maybe more, maybe less, I don't know, on this channel that you guys can feel free to jump over and watch. Get more insight on everything I use and how I use it. Make sure we get it all up and through there. Pick it out with my fingers real quick. Get some of the bigger tangles out if it just so happens to be tangled. And there we have it. A nicely shaved head and a nicely picked out beard. I didn't even need to line it up. And there you have it, guys, man. If you guys found this video helpful, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button before you head up out of here. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Leave your feedback below, drop a comment, whatever it may be. And I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.